She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.
Hey fam, it's Dr. Tisha here, your Kingdom Innovation Coach and AI Integration Specialist, and I help entrepreneurs, coaches, and creators be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. And today we are talking about something that will instantly give you your time back: automation. Because listen, if you're still manually posting every single day, you're working too hard. One of the biggest things that I hear is, Dr. Tisha, I know I need to show up online, but I don't have the time. And here's the truth: consistency grows your visibility, but automation protects your energy. So today I'm going to show you how to pre-schedule posts on Facebook, how to schedule inside Facebook groups, and the secret strategy, that first comment where you can drop your links without hurting your engagement. And this right here is your first step into automation. So let's get into it. So here we are on my personal page, and we're going to start a post. So here we have a post, and I have it written out already. So let me go ahead and paste that in here. And then let me get a photo to go along with this here. Hey everybody, I updated my school and making things better. Let me know how you like the new design. Tell me what type of content would you like to see. Not a member? Join us. Not a member yet. Join us for free. All right. And then I'm going to say link in comments. Now, why do we want to put the link in the comments? We want to put the link in the comments because putting links inside of the post actually messes with the Facebook algorithm. And they will not show your post if you keep doing that. As a matter of fact, I heard something, and I didn't go verify it, but that if you put it 3 times in your post, they sort of shadow ban you or whatever. I don't know. I feel like I'm shadow banned anyway. I have to do an at everybody for people to see what's going on there. So you got 6,000 followers, but you only get 3 people that respond. That's not you. That's the algorithm. But so anyway, in either case, link is in the comments, okay? And so how do I do that? I'm going to schedule this post out. So 2 things. Most people don't know that you can schedule your post out even on your profile page. So now if I got a picture added, I've got my words here, and then I'm going to, let's see, nothing else I want to add. Oh, and then I'm going to click next. And here it gives me a whole list of things that I can do, right? I can change the audience type. So this is going to go public. I can do publish now. I can share it to groups. I can monetize and boost the post. Okay. So this is about scheduling it. So you cannot share to groups and pre-schedule at the same time. So you have to publish now if you're going to share it to your other groups. But you can click on share to other groups and share it in whatever groups you are in. Okay. Make sure they're your groups, or make sure that it's a post that you're okay to share. But I want to schedule this post out. So let's say that I want to schedule this post out to 10 o'clock tonight. I'm just going to do 10 o'clock. How about that? And publish now is what I'm going to click, because I don't want to publish now. So that's what's going to happen if I click post, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to click that. And then it brings me to the scheduling options. And look at this. I've got the date, February 16th, which is today, and then the time. Now I'm going to change this to 10 o'clock. And then I'm going to select schedule for later. So now it's telling me that, it's scheduled for today at 10 o'clock. So now if I press schedule, now I can press view my post, which I did. and it's showing me my scheduled posts. Okay. It's showing me my scheduled posts, which I have a few coming up, but today's post is here. Hey, everybody, I updated this. And so if you click on the three dots, I can reschedule them. I can, delete it. I can edit the post, save it or whatever. But I can also pull up the post. And when I pull up the post, look at what we have here. We have comment as Tisha Colston. So if I go ahead and type in my message, join the community for free today. Click the link below. And I didn't mean to do that. Click the link below. And then I'm going to say, actually, I'm going to just put the address in there because I don't want to do redirect. Sometimes I don't want to do the redirect and it just does crazy stuff. So I'm going to just put that link in there to the school directly. Paste that in there. Okay. So now that I have that in here, I can go ahead and post it. So I have my link, right? And I have my first post on this post. So when this posts in about an hour, it will post, and then I will also have my link in the comments. So let me know if that was helpful for you. Automation is not about doing less work. It's about stewarding your time better. You don't need to be online all day to make an impact. You just need systems working while you rest. And this right here is step one. So now if you're ready to be seen, be heard, and get paid using AI, visit shethinksai.com to get more information and to join our school community for free. Listen, I want you to get paid with the ideas that you have. And if you want that for yourself also, grab my free guide, Get Paid with AI, 3 simple app ideas you can build faster than you think. The link is going to be in the comments. And if you like this content, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. All right, remember, you do not have to know everything about AI. You just need to know what moves the needle. Be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. I'll see you on the next video. And until then, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.
She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.